Hey y'all, welcome back. It is yours, Miss Bliss, in the house. If you're new tuning in, then welcome. I have finally completed chapter 1 of my beautiful lock journey. Y'all, it has been absolutely amazing. I just love my crown. I love this queen. I love this halo. She is beautiful. I wear her every day. I feel no shame. I feel nothing but joy. She's beautiful. I never even knew my hair can do the things that it has done in just 1 month's time. She's strong. She's healthy. She's beautiful. She's a part of me. I love, love these locks so much. Look at how she moves. Look at her shape, y'all. Everything about her is so beautiful. I never knew my hair can do the things that it's done. I love the way she feels. I love that boingy effect. I just love it. She's a part of me. I never knew my hair can do the things that it's done. Her parts are not perfect, but she's perfect enough for me. Look at those tapered sides, how they have just grown. They're blossoming. They're beautiful. Y'all, I'm really feeling me right now. She is so beautiful. She is a part of me. Look at her move. Look at her fall. Beautiful. Look at the shape of her. Can't be recreated. To the naked eye, she looks as though she's in an awkward stage, but to me, she's in her first stage. Look at how she curls. Beautiful. I can't wait to follow up with you on chapter 2. Smooches. Mwah.